everybody, it's Christy K the Bird Nerd. I am here at Beech Mountain, North Carolina. My husband and I have been staying here for the week for our anniversary, and I actually got some bird watching done today and yesterday, and I'd love to share those photos with you. It's really windy, oh my gosh. I saw a dark-eyed junco yesterday. They're so cool. It was like right by our little porch in the condo we're staying in. It was right by the bushes. I think we threw some cooked rice out there to lure them in, and I also played a junco song and it brought them right in. So I have some awesome photos of it. I'm not sure if it's a female or male. And I identified a song sparrow this morning on the same location. It was, I guess, trying to find the rice under the snow. It had snowed a lot last night, like a lot. It was really windy, it was like a blizzard. Yeah, so I got some awesome pictures of a song sparrow and watched it forage for a while. And I got some pictures of crows in a tree. And the junco came back to run off the sparrow this morning. Yeah, but that is it, and I'm really excited that I got to see those so far. I know whenever I see some more I'll post it, but that is what I've seen, and it's so cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and post them in this video, and yeah, I guess I'll see y'all later.